welcome to Creativity Worlds. Today I am just going to show you how to create miniature diaries. So let's get started. First for this I am just taking this thin paper, this very thin paper. I usually use this thin paper for my projects. So I'm just taking this thin paper. You can also call this rim paper. So for this, in this way I am just folding this into half. Now I'm just again folding this into one more half. That is, you have to just fold this 2 times. So you will get these 4 halves. Now you have to just cut these 4 parts. Just cut this. So I have cut the whole strips and then I get the 4 parts. Now I'm just taking first strip and just dividing this into half. Then one more time you have to divide this into half. Then again one more time you have to divide this into half. So you will get this type of shape like diary, small miniature diary. Similarly, do this process with all these. So this is done. Now I am just folding this strip into zigzag manner like this. Similarly, do this process with all these. So it's done. Similarly, I have do this process with one more bunch paper strip. Now I'm just taking these 2 strips of paper and just adhering all these strips with each other. So just adhere this like this, not like this. Just we have get this type of zigzag manner by this way. So just do this process with all the zigzag strips. So just complete this process, whole process. So this is done. So I just want big diary, so I just attach 2 papers. Now we have to just create page. So for this, you'll see this side. Here you have to just remain one page gap to this. So then just add glue here and then stick. So from this side 1 page is done. You see. So take one side and just adding glue and just attach this. So you will get automatically pages from the front side like this. Don't add much glue. You can also take hot glue gun or glue stick to stick this quickly. So just complete this whole process. So I have done the process and the beautiful diary is looking like this. Now I'm just taking this purple color paper and I'm just cover this whole book with this. Like just we have to cover the notebook. So I'm suggesting you to remain the space from here to open the diary. So just do like this. Just do like this. This is done. Now just add this notebook here and then add glue here. So just remain some gap here to open the diary. If you don't remain the space, the diary will not open. So do not add glue here because from here we have to open the diary. So just add this like this. And then take one page here for the more strengthen of the notebook. Now just cover this diary like we cover our school notebook. Just add glue and stick all these flaps. The beautiful miniature diary is done. Now I'm just adding some eyes. For the more cuteness of this style, I'm just adding this homemade flower. If you want to learn this, I have already uploaded the video. You can check there from my channel. And just adding this on the bottom. And it's too cute, isn't it? You can add pearls, crystals, anything which you have. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. And also don't forget to give me thumbs up. Thanks.